Welcome back to CodeChef. In today's video, we are going to master one of the most essential skills in C++, that is taking input from the user. So if you have ever wondered how to get data from the user and make your programs interactive, this lesson is going to make it crystal clear for you. So let's get started.
So this is going to be a very short video in which we will learn how to take single or multiple inputs from the user in order to perform any operation. So the first topic is std in C++. In C++, the cin command is used to read input given by the user. It is a part of the standard library's std namespace. We use the iostream header file to use the cin and cout commands. Basically, cin command is used to take input from the user and cout command is used to show output to the user. Its syntax is cin extraction operator and then the name of the variable in which the value which is given by the user will be stored and semicolon. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform to see how to use this feature in C++. The program objective is displaying favorite color. The input that we will give is Inception and the output that will be printed is your favorite movie is Inception. Coming to the code, #include iostream. So as we discussed, we use the iostream header file to use the cin or cout command. Then using namespace std semicolon int main. Now inside the main function, we have declared a string named movie. String movie semicolon then cin movie. So now the system will ask the user to give input and whatever input we will give, it will be stored in the variable called movie. Then cout in double inverted commas your favorite movie is and colon. Then again extraction operator and movie. Then it will print the value of variable movie which is given by the user. endl and semicolon, then return 0 and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program. Okay, so right now we have not written anything here in the input, that is why it is only printing your favorite movie is colon. Now let us write Inception here. So it shows your favorite movie is colon and Inception. So this is how we use the cin command to take input from the user and feed it in a variable and display it later or use it later in the program. The next topic is combining multiple inputs in C++. So we often need to gather multiple pieces of information from the user and for this we use the cin command along with the extraction operator to take data from the user input. Let's see an example of how to combine multiple inputs in C++ on the CodeChef platform. Program objective is book details. Then in the input we will be giving it Stephen 1925 and the output that we will receive is book title it, author Stephen and year 1925. Okay, coming to the code, #include iostream, then using namespace std semicolon int main. Now inside main we have declared two variables of type string title author. So there are two variables, title and author, and both are of type string semicolon. Then int year. Now this third variable that we have declared is of type integer. Then cin extraction operator title. So first we have to give user input for the title variable which we have decided to be it. So we will write it. Then cin extraction operator author semicolon. So for author we will write Stephen. And then cin extraction operator year. For year we will type 1925 semicolon. Now, cout extraction operator in double inverted commas book title colon, then the value of variable title will be printed, then in new line, so slash m means new line, in new line author colon, and then the value of variable author will be printed, again new line, then year colon, and then the value of variable year will be printed, endl for new line and semicolon, then return 0 and bracket close here. Now here we can type it again. So for the value of variable title we have written it, then for the value of variable author we are writing Stephen, and for the value of variable year we are writing 1925. Now let us run the program. It shows book title colon it, author colon Stephen, and year colon 1925. So here we have got instructions in this sample program to tell us that what input should we feed in, but otherwise it is completely our choice. Whatever input we want to give to the system, the cin command will take it and the cout command will print that in the output. So this is how we use basic input operations in C++.
And that brings us to the end of today's discussion on basic input operations in C++. Now, you understand the purpose of std, how basic input works, and how to accept multiple values smoothly in a single line. These concepts form the backbone of interactive programs, and mastering them will make your coding journey much more powerful and intuitive. Don't forget to practice using these concepts on the CodeChef platform. Thank you so much for watching.